Fellas, this is your boy Sharaka Monocrap. And yeah, when you see me here like this, then you know that I have another tip about Shatawale to serve it to you, right? And yeah, you're number one concern master. I'm here with another gossip about Shatawale. And you know, this one is a trendy one. Since this afternoon, people are actually giving wrong details about it, especially our stomach bloggers. They are giving wrong info about it. And it's about, Shatawale, you know, stopping contractors, actually these road contractors from stopping them from doing their work. And actually it's for the good cause. Yeah, these bloggers are telling that Shatawale has ordered boys, especially Nima boys, to go and beat road contractors. Oh, how? That's a lie. It's a big lie. Actually, there's this road leading to Shatawale's secretariat office. That's somewhere around Ajurugano. And according to Wale, this road has been always, they are always contractors on that road. They will tell you that they are doing the road. They are always facing the road, and they have been doing that for every year. Almost every year, they are on that particular road, and they have been doing shoddy job. They are really doing poor work. So today, Wale decided, to supervise on them and realize that yes, they are actually doing wrong thing. So he actually stopped them from doing it and ask them why are you people always doing this shoddy work. You're always doing this shoddy work for over the years, and you're always doing the same thing. So actually why let's stop them and ask them to see their managers, so that he will talk to them, so that they will do the right thing. Instead of this shoddy job, they will do it in a short time and they will stop doing it. So yeah, Wale was even trying to catch them on camera, to show it to maybe his MP or one of the ministers that this is what they are doing. They are doing shoddy job, and they always be collecting money that they will say that, oh, they are doing the road for the people, and they will be doing the same thing over the years, the same job, the same shoddy job. And why should you be constructing road, the same road for over years? Why, if you are doing the right thing? So actually, why let's stop and get to there and asking them to stop doing that shoddy job, and get it done on the correct way, instead of doing the wrong thing. So actually, that's the correct details about what's going on. Don't be following these bloggers that Wale asked Nima boys to beat. Why? Why would Wale would just go around and ask Nima boys to beat contractors for what? That's a lie. And these bloggers, whenever it's Wale, they have to fix in negativity so that it will sell for them. Actually, that's their way. Let's give it the wrong way. Let's sell it for the wrong thing, so that people will rush it. It's valid. So what do you expect? When we sell it on the wrong way, when they sell it on the negativity plate, people will actually buy it. So that's not it. Wale is actually even trying to get them on camera, so that he will show it to one of the ministers, for what they are doing, so that you will not be spending money on a particular road for over years. If you know you are doing the right thing, why should you be collecting money and fixing the same thing for every year? You are fixing the same thing. Why? So that's what Wale get angry over it, and it was asking them to stop doing that shoddy job and get it done on the correct way. Yeah, so actually this is the correct details. Don't be following these bloggers, Charlie. Hey, you know these bloggers, if you say you follow them, if you say you follow them, you will end up in somewhere you were not even expecting. And yeah, in other news, Shatawale is about to address the nation concerning the state of this industry. Yeah, and people are going crazy about this one, because Shatawale is about to address what's really facing this industry. And yeah, this one is coming on um Wednesday. Yeah, this Wednesday. 8 p.m. sharp, and you can catch it live on all the social handles of Shatta Wale. Yeah, from Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, everywhere you can catch it live. So Charlie, stay tuned to this one, and I know you'll be expecting. You've been asking yourself, what will Shatta Wale be talking about? What will he be saying? What is it coming to say? What actually is it on this topic that Shatta Wale is coming to discuss or to address, to this nation concerning this industry? But Charlie, you have to watch it live, and I know you can't miss it. I know you can never miss this, Charlie. And some people are really really happy, yeah, especially the fans, because they miss Wale on the camera. Your man, your industry, your industry captain. You really miss him. And yeah, this Wednesday you can catch him live on your Facebook, on your Twitter account, and everywhere. Shatta Wale is coming live to address the nation about what's really going on. What's really going on in this industry, Charlie. We are forcing, we are doing everything, but it seems some players are not really helping this industry. So Wale is here to address it. So Charlie, you should be ready and catch it live. And yo, this is what I have for you on this episode of SMGs. We'll be feeding you more updates about Shatta Wale. So Charlie, don't miss it. Don't miss it. And yo, share it, comment it, subscribe it, like it, Charlie. Let other people also feel the vibe of SMGs. And yeah, this is your boy Shatta Kamono Crab, and I sign out.